Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, and today I'll show you how to set up the device. So when you put it up for the first time, you'll be presented with the welcome screen, which is right over here. And simply tap on an arrow and select your language. From there, once you tap on your language, go to the next page where you get to choose your region. I'm gonna stick with the one selected by default, which happens to be correct. Then we have connect to network. This step is completely optional. You can skip it if you want to. Or you can also connect to any kind of Wi-Fi if you have one that you can. The only benefit of doing so is later on the ability to sign into your Google account if you want to. But not much more to it. And still you can do that later on after the setup is finished anyways. So I'm gonna skip it. They have terms and conditions. Now obviously we can read it, and at the end of the day we do have to select that we have read and agreed to them, and then tap on the arrow. And it's gonna look for SIM card and not find any because I didn't insert any. Again, this step is optional. You can insert your SIM card at any moment in time, and if you have some PIN, it will automatically pop up with the PIN for you to unlock the SIM card. And if your SIM card doesn't have any kind of PIN, it will automatically just start working without any problem. So I'm gonna skip it for now. And then we have Google services. So we have things like location or localization, scanning, and send user and diagnostic data. I can tap on the drop down and read exactly what it does. But the short version of it is user and diagnostic data gathers data on how you use the device, sends it to Google. You can disable it. Then you have scanning. Scans for things like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and stuff like that. So you can keep that on. It's basically enabling these functions like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. So by default they will be turned on, I believe. And then we have localization or location in here, which basically enables the localization function, GPS tracking. But you can also disable it if you don't want it. Again, all those settings that you disable later on can be enabled simply through the settings or just the notification panel when you pull it down. So you don't really have to worry here. From there, let's tap on accept at the bottom, and we can now set up our protection for our device. Now we have several different ways. So number one, we have fingerprint at the top. Then if we tap on other only screen lock, it gives us the three options. So PIN, pattern, password, which is a typical screen locks. So you can choose one of them, but if you go with a fingerprint, you will still be required to set one of these. I'm gonna set up a pattern. Now whenever you choose one of them, it gives you this message that you need to remember your password. No duh. So draw the pattern or PIN, password, whatever it is, then repeat it once more and tap on an arrow to confirm it. And now we have additional settings. So some of them will repeat, like location, which we have already, or at least I have disabled. User experience programs, so you can sign up for it or just disregard it by disabling it. Send diagnostic data automatically. Again, send user and diagnostic data. But I believe these settings are specifically from Xiaomi, while the previous ones were strictly for Google themselves. Then if automatic system updates, if you want it, you can keep it enabled. If you don't, disable it. And then below that we have personalized ads. Basically the phone will check what you're searching for and then gives you ads according to your searches. Now I personally don't like this one bit, and for some reason it's one of those options that gives you a pop-up, are you sure you want to disable it? So yeah, from there, once you disable it, you can then go further and choose your theme. So not much difference in the theme. The only thing that they differ is with the icons and wallpaper, which wallpaper can be changed along with the icons as well. I personally prefer this one more. As you can see, you can look at those two by just tapping on an image. From there, I'm going to just select the other one, limitless, apply it, and there we go. And from here, tap on an arrow to finish up the setup. And there we go. So setup is now complete. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.